If you have been wondering what $6 to $9 million buys you in Irvine's most exclusive new gated community, this video is for you. I just finished touring the Toll Brothers models at Summit, at Orchard Hills, and I have 3 things to share with you that you will not find on any other website. Plus, I do offer a full recap of the pricing and the numbers at the end, so stay with me. Quick context for anyone new to this video series, Summit at Orchard Hills is a private guard-gated community inside the Orchard Hills village of Irvine, and it has 3 builders behind its gates. We have Shea Homes with Crestview, Brookfield Residential built Vista, and Toll Brothers has 2 collections, Pinnacle and Skyline. I already made a video on Crestview and Vista, and I have links to these videos in my description if you want to see those. But today we're talking about Toll Brothers, which is the most expensive of the 3 builders in Summit. If you are looking at the top of the market in this community, this is it. Toll Brothers has 2 collections inside Summit, as I mentioned. Pinnacle starts at $6 million and Skyline goes up to $9 million. In this video, I'm going to give you my 3 insider observations from being on the ground and doing my in-person tour. And then I'm going to walk you through the floor plans, the pricing, the HOA, and the taxes so that you have everything you need, hopefully, in one place. If we haven't met yet, my name is Danae Aballi-Mecham. I'm with Real Broker and I have 21 years experience selling here in Orange County. Before we get into it, if at any point during this video something resonates and you want to talk further, you are welcome to call or text me directly. My number is 949-216-8565. I also offer a meeting link in my description if you prefer to schedule a call. Okay, let's get into the 3 things. Number 1, the entry. Every single Pinnacle floor plan has what I can only describe as a hotel lobby entry. These are soaring ceilings, open concept, and an epic staircase the moment you walk through the front door. And it's the kind of arrival sequence that makes you stop and take a breath. At $6 million, you'd expect to be impressed, and Toll Brothers certainly earns it immediately. That entry sets the tone for the entire home, and it is consistent across all 3 floor plans. If that kind of dramatic first impression matters to you, at this entry point, or this price point rather, Pinnacle definitely delivers. Number 2 is that as you climb the hill inside the Summit, the real estate gets more and more expensive, and it's not arbitrary. The higher you go, the further you are from Portola Road and any road noise below, and the views get bigger too. So you start picking up the views of the Rattlesnake Reservoir, and the Rattlesnake Reservoir actually looks a little kind of unremarkable on the map, but when you're actually standing on the bluff looking at the shoreline and the birds flying over the water, it is genuinely beautiful. There are miles of open views from up on the bluffs, and when you are comparing home sites and wondering why one lot commands a significant premium over another, the elevation and the reservoir views are a big part of that answer. So ask specifically which lots have reservoir views before you decide on it, and I'll help you pick the best lot. Number 3, the sold out plans. Toll Brothers Skylines has 4 floor plans and 2 of them are already temporarily sold out. And the next release of available homes across Pinnacle and Skyline is not even going to be built until December. So this gap between the demand and the available supply is telling us that this is not a community where you can take your time and do a few drive-bys or think about it for 6 months. The buyers who are serious about Summit are jumping and buying. The ones who are waiting and watching the inventory are watching it disappear. And now the numbers. Pinnacle has 4 available homes right now, Addis at $6,029,000, Farlow at $6.5 million, and Huxlee at $6.150. All are 5 bedrooms and 5.5 baths, 4,300 to just under 4,800 square feet. The lot sizes are 6,000 square foot range, and Skyline has 2 available homes, Joris at $6.8 million on a lot of over 10,000 square feet, and Suri, the largest, at $9 million, and it has a lot of over 15,000 square feet with the casita included and living space up to 5,300 square feet. One important thing to know about Skyline, the models are actually shown by appointment to pre-approved buyers only. So if Skyline is on your radar, you need to call or text me first, and then we can get the process started together before you visit. The HOA fee is $975 a month right now during the development, and then it's going to drop to approximately $774 at the completion. Our property taxes is 1% base rate plus $6,500 a year in special assessments. Slightly higher than you'll find at Crestview, so just make sure you factor that into your monthly cost calculation. The schools are all Irvine Unified. We have Canyon View Elementary, Sierra Vista Middle School, and Northwood High School. Summit at Orchard Hills is unlike anything else being built in Irvine right now. The privacy, the elevation, the views, just the caliber of the construction, it is a genuinely rare product in this market. Toll Brothers has approximately 91 homes total between both collections, and this is not a large community, and scarcity is real at this level. So if you want me to represent you at Pinnacle or Skyline, reach out to me before you visit the sales office. The builder does cover my fee. It costs you nothing, but I do have to be registered as your agent from day one if you want me to represent you. So call or text me 949-216-8565 or grab the booking link in my video description and hit subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.